Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wattpad beta. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of Wattpad beta and you will go here to this window. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Wattpad beta. You will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.